Have you ever almost given up on a painting because it looked ugly halfway through? Stay with me. Today, I'll show you the magic of the ugly stage in watercolor. We are painting an eye, and yes, good materials make all the difference. I'm using Winsor & Newton paper and St. Petersburg paints. Preparation is key. First, I evenly spray the entire sheet with clean water and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This allows the moisture to fully penetrate the paper fibers, creating a perfect, even surface for smooth washes. Now, with my 1.5 cm flat brush, I can apply the first very light washes of color. On this prepared surface, the pigment flows beautifully and predictably. Now, welcome to the ugly stage. It looks messy, undefined, and you might want to quit. But this is crucial. With my round brush, I start building layers and depths. I work from light to dark patiently. This prepared paper gives me control and time to blend. The transformation starts here. With my tiny size 0 liner brush, I add the finest details. The eyelashes, the sparkle in the pupil, the subtle shadows. This is where the ugly duckling becomes a swan. Every patient layer pays off. And there it is, a living, expressive eye. Remember, the most beautiful results come from proper preparation and pushing through the messy middle. In art and in life, trust the process. Wait for it until the very end. See how awesome it turns out. My name is Mona and I'm deeply in love with the act of painting. If you are new here and want to know me better, check out my last vlog where I share more on my art and my story. If you believe in the beauty of the process, subscribe. Let's keep learning to see. Tell me, what should I paint next? Thanks for watching with such patient eyes.